All right, people, what's up? We've got a little quick one for you today. This is our green Goblin. That's the Godzilla swap Fox body, and we're gonna weigh it, okay? Kind of as you see the car, we put it back almost complete. What I mean by almost complete, instead of the steel hood, it has a Cervini's fiberglass hood. We have a tubular K-member, 6R80 transmission. This is out of a 2012 F-150. Put the interior back together for the most part. We have lightweight Corbeau seats. Does have a Maximum Motorsport roll bar in it, and all of the rear seat stuff's been deleted. So none of the framework, none of that's there. Minimal sound deadening when we did put it back together. We didn't do mass back carpet, nothing like that. And as far as fuel is concerned, we have a full tank of gas. And a gallon of gas weighs about 6 pounds, 15-gallon tank, y'all do the math, somewhere around 90 pounds. So y'all can kind of factor that into the overall weight. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and turn our little LCD box on. We've already powered on our scales, and then basically we'll jack it up, get all the correct scales underneath each corner, or each respective corner, and then we'll get a total. All right, so we have sub-frame connectors on this car. So I'm just gonna NASCAR pit stop this thing and lift it up on one complete side, and then we'll do the same for the other side. Well, maybe. No. Okay, well, there you go. That plan didn't work. Which one we got here? Okay, right rear. Okay, so now we'll do front right. Front right. Okay, zip it around to the other side. See, on the S197s and S550s, you can lift the whole side of the car with the jack just because they're that much more rigid of a chassis. Unibody, whatever the heck you want to call it. All right, so I'll move the jack up a little bit further. So let's see if we can, haha, get you pace. Front left. Man, I'm a little out of breath and out of shape. No, I'm kidding, but now that we have all four corners on the jacks, we'll kind of lightly shimmy it around all four. Give it a few minutes, that way the scale can kind of level out, and then we'll look at our display, see what it weighs. All right, so we've given it a few minutes. It's gone up maybe 3 to 5 pounds. You just saw it go to 31.90 there. So we might as well just go ahead and round that up and say that 3,200 pound Fox body with a 7.3 Godzilla engine, and kind of your typical, I would say, street strip modifications as far as like the interior and suspension is concerned. All right, folks, so that's it. Like I said, we had a quick one for you. Really just wanted to see the weight of the car, or know the weight of the car. We've dynoed it. We still got to get it to the track. If you want to see all those videos, including the multi-part series of us putting the Godzilla and all this cool stuff together, go check that one out. All those videos will be available for you down in the description. So until we see you in the next one, if y'all like this stuff, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. And until we see you in the next video, y'all know what to do for all things Fox Body Mustang. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.